Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solutions of 4, 5, 6 problems from exercise 10.2 from Circles chapter from NCERT class 10. This is fourth problem. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. So here if you take a circle and if you draw two tangents at the ends of the diameter, then we have to prove that these two tangents are parallel. So here let O be the center of the circle and AB be the diameter, and these two are the endpoints A and B. And if you draw two tangents PQ and RS at these points A and B, so these points are point of contacts and ends of the diameter also. So here we have to prove that PQ is parallel to RS. So PQ is parallel to RS, we have to prove. And here if you see these two angles, angle OAP is equal to angle OBP. These two angles are 90 degrees because we know that the radius of the circle is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So these two angles are 90 degrees right here. And if you add those two angles, angle OAP plus angle OBR, these two angles, that is equal to 90 plus 90, that is 180 degrees. So here there are two lines and this is a transversal line. So sum of the co-interior angles, these two are co-interior angles. Sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So we can say that these two lines are parallel. We know that if a transversal line intersects two parallel lines, then the sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degrees. So here PQ is parallel to RS. This is fifth problem. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. So here let PQ be the tangent to the circle and B is the point of contact. Point of contact means the common point for the circle and the tangent. If you draw a perpendicular line at this point B, that is AB, so AB is perpendicular to PQ. So AB be the perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact B. Therefore, AB is perpendicular to PQ. This is given in the problem, this one. So this is first one. And here we have to prove that AB should pass through the center. So AB passes through the center. This we have to prove. So here let O be the center of the circle. And we know that OB is perpendicular to PQ. So see here OB is perpendicular to PQ because the radius of the circle is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So OB is perpendicular to PQ and AB is perpendicular to PQ. From 1 and 2, AB is perpendicular to this line. AB is perpendicular to PQ and OB is also perpendicular to PQ. So these two lines are on the same line. So that passes through the center. So here AB passes through the center O. Therefore, the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. This is sixth problem. The length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 centimeters from the center of the circle is 4 centimeters. So here the length of a tangent from a point A is 4 centimeters. So here length of the tangent AB is given, that is 4 centimeters. And from point A at a distance 5 centimeters from the center. So from the center to the point A is 5 centimeters. So this is 4 centimeters and this is 5 centimeters. Here we have to find the radius of the circle. So we have to find, this is the radius OB. We have to find this radius. So in triangle OAB, this is 90 degrees. We know that because the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So this is 90 degrees. This is right angle triangle. So OA square is equal to AB square plus BO square as per Pythagoras theorem. So 5 square is equal to R square plus 4 square. So R square is equal to 5 square minus 4 square. Therefore, R is equal to 3 centimeters. So this is the radius of the circle.